shop. Thomas here. Well, I've got another deal of the week. Well, like you can see it, didn't even have it in frame. Husky 12-in-1 tool bag. You can get these at your local Home Depot. It's just a nylon tool bag, 600 dinner nylon. It's just a small little open type bag. It has some stiffeners in it, some wire stiffeners, side pockets. No stiffener on the bottom, but for $4.88, these things are awesome. I think so far. Anyways, the zippers seem to be okay. These things could be used for all kinds of stuff. I mean, besides tools. I mean, actually thinking about using one for some camera equipment. I mean, you could use this for camera equipment. It's not padded though. When I say camera equipment, just mind you, you wouldn't want to put an actual camera in here, but I mean, you could use this for ammo and fishing equipment, tools, just, I mean, anything imagination I could think of. It's got reinforced stitching. I kind of wish the handles went all the way around, wrapped all the way around just for reinforcement, but I don't really expect to put anything too heavy in here. But yeah, I think that's these things are pretty nice, and it actually has a a 3-year warranty also. Yeah, you can't beat that. I don't know if this is $4.88 all the time, or if this is $4.88 because it's Christmas season or not. But yeah, let me know what you think.